Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with two viral questions. Second one is more tricky one than first one. And shout out to our top challengers. Comment your answer to feature here. Our first question is 100 divided by 25 parenthesis 1 plus 3. Pause this video and try to solve by your own and comment your answer. Now, time's up. I will solve this stepwise and with the help of PEMDAS. So in the PEMDAS, first what we will do, this parenthesis part P. So here parenthesis, this one. So when we solve this, we will get 100 divided by 25, 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Okay, so if you think like 100 divided by 25 into 4, that is 100, and this will become 1, then you are completely wrong. We have to follow the PEMDAS rule, and here, as we know, division and multiplication have same priority, and we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve for this one. So we will write again this question. 100 divided by 25 into 4. When we solve this one, like 100 divided by 25, we will get 4 and into 4, and when we multiply 4 into 4, we will get 16. So here 16 is the right answer. Coming to the next question. 5 divided by 5 minus 5 divided by 5. Okay, pause this video and comment your answer. Okay, time's up. Now I will solve stepwise the PEMDAS. First, as we know, division operation will be done. So here two operations are there. 5 divided by 5 minus 5 divided by 5. So we will first this one and next this one. When we divide 5 divided by 5, that we will get 1 minus 5 divided by 5, we will get 1. Okay, and 1 minus 1, which equals to 0. So comment who solved both the question correctly, and try to solve these math questions, and thanks for watching.